hope all are fine. I welcome you back to my channel, Chop and Choose Kitchen at bakes.com, and today I am here with another recipe, interesting recipe that is called potato 65. All will eat chicken 65, mushroom 65, paneer 65, gobi 65. Now for a change we will see in potato 65. Now what are all the items we are going to take? I will tell you. I have taken a cup of potatoes here. I have chopped it into medium size like this. Medium size you have to cut and keep it. So that I have taken salt, chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, cumin powder, ginger garlic paste, and corn flour I have taken, rice flour, a little bit of rice flour. I will tell you how many spoons we are going to use in this. Before to start the procedure, we have to boil the potatoes. We have to boil the potatoes only to 50%. 50% of the potatoes should be boiled. The other 50% we are going to fry up after marinating with all the masalas. Please be careful. Only 50% of the potatoes should be boiled to make potato 65. Now I am taking a pan. Let this be heated. Now I have rinsed the potatoes and I am going to boil this. We need half a cup of water, half a glass of water to boil this. Only half a glass is enough because we are going to boil 50% only. In this tumbler, in this glass, I am putting half a glass. And half a tablespoon of salt I am adding to this. Only half a tablespoon of salt I am adding to this. We will check while mixing the ingredients, all the ingredients. Now give a nice mix and cover it and keep it for 5 to 10 minutes. Now after 7 minutes I am removing this. Now see, the water has drained. Now we will take this in a bowl and mix all the ingredients for the 65. Now I have put those potatoes to cool. Add 1 teaspoon of oil in this, so when we add the masala doesn't mess up. We will leave this for some time. After cooling we will add all the masalas. Now to this I am adding ginger garlic paste, little bit only I am adding. Small teaspoon I have taken 3/4. Then I am going to add salt again, little bit of salt, chili powder, 1 full tablespoon, and again half a tablespoon I am adding. I am adding turmeric, half a tablespoon of turmeric I am adding to this. Cumin powder, 1/4 of the cumin powder I am adding. Garam masala, again half a teaspoon I am adding garam masala to this. Now we are going to add corn flour powder. I am going to add 1 full teaspoon, and then another teaspoon also I am adding, and 1 big teaspoon of rice flour I am going to add in this. Now that's it. We have to mix all these. Now see, while I am mixing, it is not getting smashed, only it is 50% boiled, so it will be easy for us to mix. Add a little bit of water and mix again. I'm adding a little bit of water to this. Again I am mixing all the masalas. Check for the seasoning. Mine was not enough, so I am adding another half a tablespoon of salt to this. Now see, my masala has been nicely mixed. Now we will keep in the refrigerator for 5 to 10 minutes. Now I have taken another pan And in that I have taken 150 grams of oil. 150 grams, nearly about 200 grams of oil I have taken for frying. For deep frying we need more oil. If you want more you can add. Now my pan is heated with the oil. Now I am going to drop this. Now you should keep the flame in high. Then only it will not get catch the pan. Now see, it is nicely frying up. This will very well go with variety rices like sambar rice, tomato rice, and even more in tamarind rice, lemon rice. The good combination. While dropping the potato 65, the flame should be in high, and after dropping it for 1 to 2 minutes, keep the flame in low. After 1 to 2 minutes deep frying, I'm going to take out this. Now when you are adding the potato 65 in the hot oil, you should not keep any spoon and mix this. Let it be there in the oil for 1 to 2 minutes. After that only you have to mix that. Otherwise the corn flour will get catch to the spoon which you are using. Now see, my potato 65 is ready to be served. See how good it looks. It has not stick to one another. Look at this, how it is. You can take this as evening snack, or else you can take this with the variety rice, sambar rice, keera rice, tomato rice, pudina rice. And if you are taking as an evening snack, you can take with the sauce. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please do try it at home. Like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, it's bye from Chop and Choose Kitchen at bakes.com. See you.